Dear ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. My video is about another malicious resource that attacks many Mac computers, and this resource is mac-optimization.live, mac-optimization.live. It actually displays the faulty alert that says immediate action required. We have detected a Trojan virus on your Mac. Press OK to begin the repair process. So when you press OK, it also says that your system is infected with 3 viruses, and it looks like the pop-up is coming from the Apple Care protection plan. However, this information is absolutely faulty. Apple is not related to this alert, and Apple Care protection plan is not the part of this scam. Unfortunately, we have to admit that there are some online frauds that intend to hijack your Mac device and to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. When you click on the Scan Now button, there will be some imitation of scanning in progress, and there will be other fake alerts and fake threats supposedly found in your Mac. So it is strongly advised that you do not agree with this proposal, because if you click on the Remove Viruses Now, you will be then told to download and install some malicious software such as Clean Up My Mac. You should not do that, and if you have done so by mistake, you may access your Mac applications and find that suspicious software, right-click on it and move it to the trash. And it's a good idea even to empty your trash from that junk software. However, I also recommend that you scan your Mac with the program named Combo Cleaner. It is downloadable through this website combocleaner.com using this green download Combo Cleaner button, and afterwards you install the program and run scanning with it. This is the way the program looks like. It's a premium version in my case. However, after you initially install it, it's the trial version that only has the disk cleaner function at no cost. Now the antivirus function is the part of the premium version. So the program works as a free scanner. It scans your Mac for presence of malware, and it reports threats, and then to delete these threats you need the premium version of the program. However, scanning your Mac with this software is really a good idea, because it will help to detect and delete all other possible malware that may be the part of your Mac. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Bye.